Crypto Dynasty. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today, I'm gonna talk about the Metaverse Universe and the website BIZZLOGIC. I will read an article and discuss about the future of BIZZLOGIC and the Metaverse. So let's dive in on the article right away. This is the website BIZZLOGIC. But before that's the website. Uh, Before we discuss about this website, let's define what's the metaverse. The metaverse is a concept of persistent online 3D universe that combine multiple different virtual space. You can think of it's a future iteration of the internet. The metaverse allow user to work, meet, game, and socialize together in this 3D space. So basically, that's a good definition of metaverse. We know metaverse. It's the future of internet, right? And a lot of corporations see the huge potential, um, the metaverse, and also with the improvement in the enhancement of technology. A lot of corporations are early investors, such as Facebook or Meta. Basically, they rename Facebook rename itself Meta. Then you also have Microsoft, you have Google, you have even Tinder, you have NVIDIA for people that know graphic card. We have Robolex. We have a lot of corporations are investing in metaverse, and that's something people need to be aware. But people that inside the crypto universe, the metaverse universe, and NFT usually know about the metaverse potential and also the token you may purchase to go in the tree universe. And so let's look Robologic. We can see like any good website they have or different tabs overview. We can we build your present in the metaverse. So everything you need to make the most of your event. Yet you're trying to host a workshop, launch a new product, or organize a conference. It is always mean reaching a specific audience while staying within your budget limit and finding the right location. It sounds familiar, then we have the perfect solution. But let's face it, existing channels aren't enough anymore. You're not getting the desert engagement in video conference. Your brain's getting less interaction on your website and physical event are hard to justify due to lack of sustainability and inclusiveness. Your event for success. We offer a way to make your brand come alive and create buzz for your event and product that result and increase interaction and engagement. All of this can happen with our intrusive all solution for global event would help you can host successful event without having to worry about location and playing your budget limit. So Let's, okay, so let's continue. Make your brand will help your journey increase engagement with your content and product by providing an exciting experience that attract participants and keep them entertained through their visit. So now to talk about their main feature, direct access via browser, special communication, customer space, um, secure trust, secure and trusted, high measurable and real-time event. So this they have a lot of good feature on their project. Now, if we look, example package or metaverse package, book your metaverse experience now. So basically, let me scroll down properly. So package. So that's what they offer. They offer meeting, workshop package, conference event package, custom metaverse event. What else does they offer? They also offer. Oh, one second. So let's read the description on each package. Meeting workshop package. Are you looking for a virtual meeting room? BIZZLOGIC offer private access to meeting workshop room and the metaverse, where participants can share their screen and have a 3D spatial audio to converse inside the room with a quick, easy, and affordable. Up to 25 member, fitting for smaller group, accessible via browser. If we look the second package, conference event package. Our conference and event package enable you to hold virtual event with hundreds of attendees from anywhere in the world or feature rich solution make your online event engaging while being e- easily accessible. You can choose from a variety of interactive room to your event and or state of our audience. Activity analytic would help you grasp the key point engagement. Uh, Now, they also offer full room, up to 250 attendees in 8 sponsor, accessible via browser. The next package, custom metaverse event. Our platform give you the ability to create beautiful branded event that can be accessed from anywhere in the world via one simple URL. We can provide you with everything from beautiful branding element to live content, stream into room, gamification feature, and storytelling element which allow you event to capture user attention. Number of attending can be scaled up based on the request, custom design, and accessible via browser. So that's a different package they have. Now, one question you may have is how does crypto fit into the metaverse? We know gaming provide 3D aspect and metaverse, but does cover everything needed in virtual world that can cover all aspect of life. Crypto can offer the other key part required, such as digital proof of ownership, transfer of value, governance, and accessibility. And, but what does it mean exactly? And example, let's talk about the digital ownership. By owning a wallet with access to your private key, you can instantly prove ownership of activity or an asset on the blockchain. For example, you could show extract transcript of your transaction on a blockchain while at work to show accountability. A wallet is one of the most secure, robust methods for establishing digital identity and proof of ownership. So basically, the fact you have a digital wallet, any access to blockchain, and also you 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 can display the history of your transaction or your digital ownership. So another thing that's interesting with crypto, um, you can also use the concept of digital collectibility. Just as we can establish who owns something, we can also show that item as its original and unique. For the metaverse, looking to incorporate more real activity, it is important through NFT, and we can create objects that 100% unique and can never be copied exactly or forged. A blockchain can also be ownership of physical item. It's true. Uh, NFT, a lot of time NFT and metaverse combine together and overlap because you can create avatar or digital collectible. They are unique, and also you have the option to, and when you use NFT, if you want to sell a product, you can also demand royalty. So like the music industry, when you sell an album of Michael Jackson, Prince, or Elvis Presley, you can have a royalty for generations. So that's something's good too. Well, that's more common with NFT, but Metaverse also is in process to implement that. But depending what you want to do, you may use the unique aspect, or you can create different copy, and also you may ask royalty for the usage of your digital collectible. So it's up to you. You have different option. One more thing, the governance and metaverse, depending on which company, which project you deal with, you can also vote. You can vote for. You can vote right in company. You can vote right in company to implement different set of rule, and also if you create your own universe, you can set up your own rule on your 3D universe. But if you going on already established universe, example on Decentraland from Mana, they have their own rule, but you can vote for them to establish new rule or modify some rule. But you can create your own universe also, and at that moment you decide which rule you will implement for people to interact. with you or the different user. So is there a different level on the Metaverse universe? Now I'm gonna show you a list of Metaverse token you may use because when you go in those universe 3D universe, you can use you may decide to purchase different collectible or to configure your universe, and then for that you need token. And as an investor or an user or both, you can buy those tokens. So I will give you a quick list, but before I will tell you for this year which are the best token. The best token meta on the metaverse is Tama Dodge. You have I bat for Battle Infinity. You also have Ethereum ETH. You also have and Bill for BNB. Now, so that's four, but is there more than that? So let me display the a website. Okay, 11 best metaverse crypto coin for to buy in 2022. So best metaverse crypto coin to buy in 2022. You have Tama Dodge, Tama, Baton Fee IBT, Ethereum ET, Bill BNB. You have Chainlink, Link. You have Cosmos. You have Decentraland, Mana. You have Ape, you have Engine, you have Polygon, and my neighbor Alice. So let's look at Decentraland because Decentraland, one of the top metaverse coin by market capitalization. So on this article that give where you can buy those tokens. If you read this paragraph, Tama Doge Tama, best metaverse crypto to buy in 2022. Memecoin play to earn gaming and the metaverse are widely considered to be among the most promising crypto niche in the coming year, thanks to the ability to expose a huge number of users to benefit capability of blockchain technology. So let's go to the second one, Battle Infinity IBAT, a new metaverse crypto uh, with a huge potential. Battle Infinity took the market by storm in July after the project raised an impressive 16,550 BNB, around 5 million, in just 25 days through the IT pre-sale. Since then, the IBT token has more than doubled in value compared to its pre-sale price. Generation strong return for participants is make one of the best metaverse coin to buy if you take into account its performance so far. So if we click on that, right? Okay, let me go to their website. That's the website of Battle Infinity. Play to earn fantasy sport Battle Infinity, redefining blockchain gaming. You can join our Telegram. So you can stack, so that's good. You have a stacking feature, so that's next phase of esport. So we can see the different feature they have. We can see the different feature they have, right? So let me go back to BizLogic. I want to discuss quickly about the main feature and the benefit of BizLogic. So, okay, so we can compare what they offer, right? We can compare, but I want to add something else regarding that. First of all, BizLogic offers direct access via browser. No need to install anything or bring new software into your company. Their platform run natively on the web using the latest cloud rendering technology. Regarding the second feature, special communication. Without other special voice, chat, and 3D virtual space, attendee can interact the most natural way. You can third feature. They have a customer space, right? Their brand, the corporate identity can be easily implemented to the virtual world, and a design team can create a beautiful tailored room specifically for your brand or your event. The fourth feature, they are secure and trusted. Due to the cloud rendering nature, their platform is secure and trusted by global player in BNB and BDC space. And finally, uh, the ID measurable. They keep and track the virtual destination to a highly sophisticated analytic tool specifically built for the application and the virtual space. So they have a lot of feature, and also when we compare BizLogic, the, the different package. So free demo, available meeting workshop, conference event package, and customers metaverse event. So that's the fourth one. We can see the different criteria to and requirement to offer for the different package. And if we go to the feature, we can find the list of the different features mentioned. Character customization on the left hand side, then access customization, then moderation feature, networking feature, customer room, virtual showroom, storytelling and gamification to offer storytelling gamification, interactive storytelling, device independence. They can cutting edge hosting, reusable world, user management analytics. So they have a lot of analytics to look the data and help you make a business decision, right? To offer support and so amongst the list of analytic uh, data, some of the registration, unique user and app, average time and app per user, average open business score per user, some of open business score. So they have a lot of data. So I'm not going to read everything, but um, that's a good project. A lot of people may not be aware of what's metaverse and some project on the metaverse and a different token, but um, that's something people need to do their research. Like I say, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have some experience in crypto and metaverse and NFT, so I can share my insight. I invite you to do your research and do your diligence. Don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. If you have any question, feel free to ask question in the comment section. If you want to support, I left my online store on the link and my PayPal link on the comment section. Um, I want to thank you for your time. I see. Bye bye. Until next time.